Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn computer science fast. Begin by building a strong foundation in mathematics and logical thinking. Next, select a versatile programming language, such as Python, and commit to mastering its fundamentals. Simultaneously, start exploring core computer science concepts like data structures and algorithms. This structured approach ensures you build knowledge efficiently and effectively, setting you up for rapid progress in your learning journey. Once you have the basics, it's time to dive deeper. Focus on advanced data structures such as trees and graphs, understanding their applications. Dedicate time to practicing algorithm design and analysis through various coding challenges. Additionally, gain a solid grasp of operating systems, computer networking, and database management. These areas are crucial for a comprehensive understanding of how software and systems truly operate. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, learning computer science can be intense, so fuel your brain right. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your study snacks fresh. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Hands-on experience is vital for fast learning. Start building diverse personal projects to apply everything you've learned, from simple scripts to complex applications. As you progress, explore specialized fields like artificial intelligence, web development, or cybersecurity to find your passion. Remember, computer science is an ever-evolving field, so commit to continuous learning and consider contributing to open-source projects to expand your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.